What's in there? Whose birthday could it be? Yay! Macker, what do you want to say to your friends for all these great presents?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for these presents.
What do you love, Mac?
These presents.
Macker, what is this?
A pillow pet.
Can you show me how you do it?
Lay on it.
Oh, Mac, are you the happiest boy in the world?
Macker, what is this?
Dude, that's amazing.
Oh, and Buddy, what are these? Golf scooters.
Okay, say goodbye to our friends. Say see you in the Outer Banks.
See you now, Banks.
Love ya. And then now do the Macca. And do the Macca.
No, Macker.
And do the Macca. No Macker?
No.
Okay, do a really mean face. 1, 2, 3.